Hey, this is Yemoja with TdbDreamLife, a coaching meets cosmetology business focusing on blending beauty from the inside out. And I wanted to come to you tonight with a gratitude challenge. This has been on my mind for a while, and it seems as though it kept getting put on the back burner, which let me know that it was important and that I needed to get on here. I'm coming to you with a 7-day gratitude challenge, the 7th day ending on Thanksgiving, where each day I will be sharing with you a topic in which I'm grateful for. If you would like to join me, you can make a video or you can just comment below whatever you are grateful for the 7 days. And whenever you join, that's fine. Use the hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. So hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. And on Thanksgiving, I will take a note of anyone who participated in this challenge, and I will be doing a giveaway. It will be a free ticket for my vision board workshop happening in Houston, Texas on December 5th from noon to 4 at Hotel Indigo. So if you're not in the Houston area, virtual workshops will be coming when I become a little bit more savvy with the technology, but for now it's in person, honoring the COVID restrictions as far as spacing and temperature checks at the door. But with all that being said, let me jump into today's topic, which is I am grateful for my soulmates. So what soulmates means to me is taking notice and thinking about all of the people in my life who see past my physical, people in my life who see past the bad day, who see past my personality, and they truly see into my soul. These are family members, these are friends, these are people in my life who have been steady and who are solid sources for me to go to, whether it's a good day, whether it's a bad day, and they don't judge me for it. They're there, and I'm truly grateful for all of the soulmates in my life current, the soulmates past, and the soulmates future. I'm open to receive that. I think it's important to have people and surround yourself with people and be people for others that's just consistent and steady, and despite the ups and downs are still there. And for some people it may be less communication, it may be from a distance, but it's just knowing that that love is never lost. And I'm so thankful for all of the soulmates in my life. So that is day one. I barely made it, but that's day one of the gratitude challenge. I'll be coming with you tomorrow for a second topic. And again, if you would like to join me, make a video, post below, comment below, post on your page. And if you want to be considered for the raffle, which is a ticket valued at $99 for my vision board workshop, all you have to do is hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Journal with whatever post that you make of what you're grateful for. Take care.